Hi everyone, please stay tuned till the end. I have a very special announcement that I'll be making. This month in Time Magazine, an article was done on specific kinds of breast cancer chemotherapy treatments and a higher incidence of suffering from chemo brain. Chemo brain is a condition that affects quite a few survivors, and it's characterized by having challenges as memory deficits and severe cognitive decline. During my treatment, I was lucky enough to have access to neurofeedback throughout the course of my treatment and post-treatment. And what I would do is I would do sporadic QEEGs during my treatment, so I could really know objectively how the chemotherapy was affecting my brain. At that point, I continued to do neurofeedback treatments during treatment and post-treatment, and I'm very happy to say that I did not suffer with chemo brain, and I attribute this to neurofeedback. So if anybody knows women out there who are breast cancer survivors who have had the experience of having chemotherapy and are suffering, please pass along this video to them because it can be very, very helpful. For the announcement, when I was diagnosed 3 years ago, it was definitely, there was a lot I had to go through, surgeries and treatments. And when I had completed all my treatments, I expected to just revert back to this old person that I had been prior to. And the Western medical system does a great job of dealing with cancer symptoms for your physical body, but they don't really address the emotional scars that breast cancer can leave behind. And when knowing that what we know and working with people on the mind-body connection, this was something that I needed to explore for myself. There are certain emotions, there are certain conditions that are linked with having challenges emotionally. So, for example, it can be as simple as a Wall Street executive who has a heart attack and they go, oh, well, it was because of the stress. Well, with breast cancer, there are certain emotions that are more toxic for breast cancer survivors. So through my own journey, I found tools that were really helpful in getting me to be like I used to be, to feel as good as I had felt before this whole experience. So I created a 6-part series, a video series for women to really walk them through the journey of how to heal these emotional scars and how to feel better, not just mentally, but physically and emotionally, really on a whole spiritual level. So the course is called healingboobies.com. I would love for you to come over and check out the site, and then check out our Facebook page is also Healing Boobies. Twitter I'm on Pinterest also. And please share this information for any women that you know that have gone through this experience and are still longing to be the people that they were prior to the big C. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate all your support. Much love. Bye-bye now.